Greetings to everybody. This is Mr. Karthikeyan, mentor and me, botany and zoology subjects. In this video session, along with my students, YBC, Senior, Intermediate, we are going to conduct osmosis activity, potato osmosis. You knew what is meant by osmosis. Movement of solvent molecules from higher levels to lower levels, or lower concentration solution to higher concentration solution through semi-permeable membrane, that is known as osmosis. So permeable membrane also known as plasma membrane. So plasma membrane model and structure you knew already. We have to take minimum sized potatoes and 2 cubes we have to make by using the potato perfect shaped cube. 2 we have to make, and in that cube perfect pit also must be made. So the pit must be proper and the cube must be proper, and these walls should not be cracked or broken or torn while making the pit. If it happens, then plasma membrane will be collapsed. We won't get the result. So 2 potato cubes we must require. We have made already 1 coloring reagent. Here we have taken saffron in. Any food color also you could take. Then 2 petri dish we must require. 2 petri dish, plastic one either glass one, based upon the availability, convenient. So please zoom this up. Here we have different cubes. We shall take 2 cubes we have taken. Remaining cubes we kept aside. Then here 2 petri dishes we have taken. Think this is A, this one is B. In A and B, water we have taken, nothing but a solution. In A petri dish we have taken normal water, that is lower concentrated solution. In petri dish B, we have taken higher concentrated solution. In the sense, sugar and water mixed one. This is higher concentrated one, lower concentrated one. So 1 cube we have to place in petri dish A. So this petri dish A contains normal water. In cube, what we have to do? Sugar water must be taken. Are you clear, everybody? In a petri dish, normal water. In cube, sugar water. Vice versa, in a petri dish B also we should place the cube, but in a petri dish B, sugar water is present. In that cube, normal water we have to take. This petri dish contains normal water. Pit must be contain sugar water. Here petri dish containing sugar water. Pit must be contain normal water. Then after taking opposite solutions, we have to add saffron in. So in set A, in pit we have to add saffron in, or food color. In petri dish B, same. In solution we have to add. In set A, in pit, in set B, in the petri dish. So after leaving this entire setup, half an hour or 1 hour or throughout the day, the movement of the color indicates us either exosmosis or endoosmosis. Water is entering into the cube or else water is exiting from the cube. If it exits from the cube, that is known as exosmosis. If it enters into the cube, that is known as endoosmosis. For these both processes, plasma membrane is mandatory. So this is the process or procedure of osmosis activity by using potatoes. I hope you understand this activity. So along with my students, myself Mr. Karthikeyan, mentor indeed, signing off.